Hello friends, myself Dr. Ravi Agrahari. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the importance of general science and science and technology for your prelims and mains examination. As you can see in your prelims syllabus, UPSC mentioned as only general science, but in mains paper, in your syllabus is defined as a science and technology. What about the role of general science and science and technology in your examination? You can see here through the help of this analysis. See friends, the syllabus, which are defined in the prelims examination, UPSC only mentioned as a general science. But in mains paper, UPSC has defined as a science and technology development, their application and effects in everyday life, achievements of the Indian in the science and technology, indigenization of technology and developing new technology, awareness in the field of IT, space, computer, robotics, nanotechnology, biotechnology, and of course various issues related to the intellectual property rights. This is overall syllabus friends which are defined in your examination, for your examination, but I will never prefer you follow your syllabus. There's a question not even directly came from this syllabus. What should be your paper pattern? It's a predictable, but if you people will not plan through newspaper updates and with proper discipline, so it will become as unpredictable. So the predictable on the basis of proper discipline, proper ideas, everything. Strong grasp over the basic concepts. Of course, guys, here in the science and technology, when UPSC is not asking about the technical part, neither only the engineering students will give the examination and clear this examination. UPSC try to make a balance of the non-science and science, both students. Next, of course, you should update the current affairs time to time, friends, as the Nobel Prizes of physics, chemistry, and medicines, day-to-day life applications, their uses. Even you can see the lot of surrounding materials, even the devices which people are using, that are the very good part of your life. You can find the questions. I can give you some example like RO, reverse osmosis, where people use the ultraviolet radiations to kill the bacteria. That was a question in 2012. Comparison between the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi devices. Mobile generations like 0G, 1G, 2G, 2.5G, 2.75G, 3G, 3.5G, 3.75G, 4G, like it. Even CFL and LED bulb. Even what about the graphenes that was popular during 2012? Even UPSC asked these questions. Even various issues like stem cell, even Aishwarya Rai advertised, you people can consume the stem cell of newborn baby at the cost of 19,500 rupees. So what are these stem cell therapeutic cloning? So these are those part friends which are important for examinations. Textbook which you should follow for the science, especially for biology and physics, chemistry friends. For science and technology, you have no books. Even I will not recommend any book to you people, guys. Reason your paper is totally based on contemporary issue parts. So with conceptual clarities, you should have to go with the current affairs updations. For biology, for science, here I will suggest you NCERT class 6 to 10 standard science book. And here you also go through physics, chemistry and biology all friends. Physics and chemistry has got a major role in your examination. So this is. Even in the mains paper friends, you should go with this Monday Hindu newspaper analysis, science and technology page. That is the specific issues. Next, you should go with the Science Reporter magazine. The Science Reporter magazine is, that is a CSIR publication. So you should also go with the Science Reporter here. Many questions you can find, even a lot of the articles which publish in the Science Reporter, UPSC directly have given the question from that magazine. Reason it's not direct government magazine, but it's a semi-government type, you can say. It's very cheap magazine, guys, 30 rupees right now in the market. So you should follow the Science Reporter. Even during my current affairs updates which I provide you guys, I will provide you with time. Even I also take a various article discussion with you from the Science Reporter. Authenticity. Class notes and updates which I will do with you guys time to time. Even my class notes which are available in the various places right now in the Mukherjee Nagar, Old Rajendra Nagar. I will prefer you guys because conceptual clarities, for that conceptual clarities, that material will be enough. And even I also made a lot of subjective questions, expected questions for your paper. for examination time to time. During prelims, I will provide the prelims material during mains, but time to time, even in my classroom programs in the guidance I use this time, I provide all the notes. Even listen in my video lectures, in the super props. There's all discussion I do there, and time to time I also update current affairs there. So yes, if you people cannot come and join my classes, so in that case I will prefer you go and listen my videos through super props. It will be very, very beneficial to you. All those syllabus in the proper way with the topics and subtopics all defined there. And yes, of course, here I will tell you don't miss to read my those book which I will provide you during the mains examination. And even I have also given you this book, around more than 70,000 PDF has been downloaded by the students, and 60% question, 60% plus question came from this book directly. So NCERT book 6 to 10 standard, class notes, me, listen my videos, Hindu newspaper updates, science reporter, various ministry sites, current affairs updates during the examination, and yes, all these material, even the sum of them, most of them even, not only. A soft copy I will upload here on this website www.akshacademy.com. You can directly go and download it. This is the analysis of your examination, friends, of your prelims examination. Here I just have taken an example of 11 onwards. Reason the new pattern of the prelims examination is started from 2011. So in the general science, whatever the various subject for your preparations, you can see here like biology, physics, chemistry, technology. This is overall subjects. Biology, physics and chemistry have a role only for the prelims, but science and technology you will also find in your mains paper, friends. Number of questions from the biology you can see here is 5, 5, 10 and 8 and 5. But physics, chemistry you see is around 1, 1, 1, 4, no and 1. Chemistry have a no, 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 1, 0 again, no. Science and technology yes, have a major role in your examination. The reason is, friends, biology, physics and chemistry not play any role in your mains examination. Even for the conceptual clarities, to building some concepts of the science and technology, biology, physics and chemistry will be useful. But the science and technology is, it's important for both prelims and mains examination. So overall 15% question definitely you will find from the general science in your prelims examination. But if you see the analysis of your mains paper, friends, in your mains paper in the last year 2015, total 4 question came. And each and every question have a 12.5 marks, overall 50 marks came in your 2015. 2013 have a 45 marks, 2014 have a 37.5 marks, and 2015 have a 50 marks. See, the science and technology part cover in GS3 mains paper. Those questions came in your mains paper 2015. Here I would like to read out, friends. Reason have some purposes here, and other purposes are even it will be clear when you will listen these all the questions. Even the first question which came in your examination, what do you understand by the standard positioning system and the precision positioning system in the GPS era? Discuss the advantages India perceives from its ambitious IRNSS program, implying just the 7 satellites. Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System based programs. Even I also have recorded my videos about the IRNSS in GPS example, regional GPS of India. 2 GPS I discuss, even I upload my videos there on the Supercross about Gagan and IRNSS. So you should go and listen it, guys. Precision and this that and standard positioning system and position, one for the civilian users and another is for security purposes. That question came directly from the class discussion, friends. Second question which came in your examination, that is what are the areas of the probative labor that can be sustainably managed by the robot. Discuss the initiatives that can propel the research in the premier research institutes for the substantive and the gainful innovations. So robot based questions came. Discuss the advantages and the security implications of the cloud hosting of servers vis-a-vis in the house machine based hosting for the government business, 5 marks. And the next question, the last question which came in 2015, India's traditional knowledge digital library, which has a database containing formatted information on more than 2 million medicinal formulation, is proving a powerful weapon in the country's fight against erroneous patient. Discuss the pros and cons of making the database publicly available under the open source licensing. This is the chapter, friends, which I made for your preparations. You should go and read all the chapters accordingly. Science and technology in India. In this chapter, science and technology in India, you should follow about the development of science and technology, about the various research and development organization in India, in DST, where is the science and technology, and a lot of the topics like what about the provision of the science and technology development in the Niti Aayog, about Inspire program, that was a question in 2011 in the mains paper. So similar kind of the discussion is required. Next chapter is the energy. Is very very important. See, this energy is actually fuel energy, calorific value, not caloric value. Even the different nature of fuel, gases nature of fuel, which are a very important part of discussion. 2014 UPSC asked the question of shale gas. In India, I have a opportunity to presence of the methane gases as the gas hydrates. So, in the respect of India about the shale gas and the clathrates, what about the future of gases? Even US is planning, till 2035, 46% power generation in India, it is in US by the contribution of the natural gases. So modern approaches, nuclear energy, nuclear supplier group. Even see in 2015 UPSC asked a question, which nation is not a member nation of NPT, Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty? The answer was India, Pakistan, Israel. So these kind of the concept, MT to MW, megaton to megawatt. Radioactive elements, why the D2O is a good monitors, or coolant, whatever in your paper guys, UPSC asked 2011. In 2012 UPSC asked the comparison of the thorium and uranium. Thorium is abundantly in the nature. What about uranium? And guys, thorium is is a maximum thorium into the ore of monazite in India, and the maximum thorium in India it is in the Kerala. And have a one data, friends. Only in Kerala have a 6,60,000 ton thorium. If you will utilize the thorium, so you can generate the electricity in coming 2,500 years in India. So it's really a great achievement of the thorium. But why people are not using the thorium? There is a good debate, and that are good questions even for your mains paper analysis, guys. Analysis base. So of course these all will come here. Space technology. Yes, some question I would like to speak here, guys, about the space technology which came in this recent period of time. Why the satellite is into the orbit? Why not fall down to the surface of Earth? You people send a satellite into the various orbit like polar orbit, polar sun synchronous orbit, neo Earth orbit, near Earth orbit, low Earth orbit, medium Earth orbit, inclined transitional orbit, geostationary. When the geostationary and geosynchronous, you can find the differences. Of course, some differences between the geostationary and geosynchronous, in which case geostationary is geosynchronous, but geosynchronous, why not is a geostationary? Have a lot of discussions. Orbit based. When you say the orbit is in the geostationary, that is the question. Why a lot of ions are in the space, why not fall down to the surface of Earth? That is the UPSC questions. UPSC is not asking right now about the question on the basis of facts. This is the inside 4A, which is statement are correct. So this type of the question is not coming in your paper this time. Next, you say, friend, that is a communication technology here. Yes, mobile generation 0G, 1G, 2G, 2.5. That is a 2.5 is a GPRS, General Packet Radio Service. 2.75 is the Edge technology, enhanced data rate for GSM. 3G 3.5 HSDPA, 3.75 HSUPA, 4G is a LTE, HSPA plus. So these kind of the new generations. Of course, broadband policies and these kind of the informations. Li-Fi, now the Apple iPhone 7. Last day I read in the news, guys, is planning for the use of Li-Fi. But many times the speed of this, data transfer and whatever will increase. Defense technology, yes, various uses of defense technology. Rafael deal, and see in the defense technology, when I also develop one question may come in your paper, friends, about why this person APJ Kalam is a missile man. Even journey of missile man from journey of APJ Kalam from missile man to people's president. See, even defense based question also came in your prelims examination in 2014. Which statements are correct about Agni 4? First statement, surface to surface missile. Second statement, in these both two stages have a liquid nature of propellant. And the third, the distance was a 7,500 kilometers. This was those questions which came in 2014. Even defense not mentioned in the science and technology syllabus. But Philippi guys, you follow defense. Reason 2014 question paper. It is my proof. Intellectual property rights and the various issues, copyright, trademark, patent, all. Material technology, UPSC have given you the robotics and nano, but I will suggest you artificial intelligence. You also read it, guys. Artificial intelligence very near to the robotic parts. Biotechnology, various uses of biotechnology. The same how much the biotechnologies are popular is, please you go and read it. Miscellaneous like aspartame, like artificial sweetener, that is aspartame, CCTV, 3D printers, um, CFL LED, RO, washing machine technology, temple drawing, and that was a question in 2011-12 in your paper. So these kind of the question will come under the miscellaneous. And thank you, friends. I think this knowledge will be really very useful to you. My video classes, you can listen me through Superprops. My all the videos are available there. And for test series and materials, you people go and join the www.akshacademy.com site. It's a venture for the sustainable education where we try to provide you the education at the very sustainable prices. Our target is to reach the maximum people in India. And through online test series and all the discussion people will do, our team will do here, guys. Reason it's not possible to come everybody here at the Delhi. Reason this Delhi is not easy to be here everybody else. It's need of huge expenditure here, even the rent and finance problems and a lot of things you people have, I know. So through the help of this channel, I will try to reach everywhere, guys. We all here as a various scientists and the ITs and even the various reputed universities. This is really my, not me, it's my teamwork, guys. And need your feedback time to time, and then definitely we'll try to improve our qualities, because improvement is always, with everyone. And but your feedback is important, friends. And definitely through this channel, I would like to explain some more information to you. And definitely it will be very useful to you. My wishes are with you, friends, for your coming year examinations. So I will stop here. Good wishes. Okay, bye. Take care, guys. See you.